In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using GoToMeeting, a popular platform that offers an efficient way to host and attend virtual meetings. This guide will walk you through each step so you can get your first meeting up and running smoothly. We'll begin by opening the GoToMeeting app. When you do, you'll notice a plus button located at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the option to create a new meeting. Among the choices presented, select Instant Meeting to begin setting things up right away. Once you click on Instant Meeting, a new screen will emerge. This is where you'll configure your meeting settings, a crucial step to ensure a seamless experience for both you and your attendees. You'll have the chance to preview your camera. Take a moment here to adjust the lighting or angle to ensure you look your best on camera. Following that, you need to set up your audio. Testing your microphone and speakers is a good idea here. Make sure everything is loud and clear. You want to avoid any audio issues once your meeting starts. After you've fine-tuned your video and audio settings, you'll be ready for the next step. Look for the button labeled "OK, I'm ready" and click on it. This confirms that you're satisfied with the settings and are prepared to start your meeting. As soon as you've confirmed, a new meeting window will open, giving you a view of the ongoing meeting interface. This setup will look familiar if you've used other common meeting apps. Here, you'll find options to invite attendees, share your screen, and manage participants. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard. It's designed to give you easy access to all the features you'll need throughout your meeting. Now that your meeting is up and running, you can focus on interaction, whether it's sharing a presentation, using chat features for side discussions, or recording the meeting for later review. GoToMeeting offers robust tools to make your meeting productive and engaging. If you encounter any issues during the meeting, remember that help is usually just a click away, either through support features built into the app or online resources. With these steps, you're all set to host your virtual meeting smoothly on GoToMeeting. This powerful tool can greatly enhance your virtual communication, whether for business, education, or any collaborative project. That's all for today's guide on setting up GoToMeeting. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this information helpful as you embark on your virtual meeting endeavors.